CakePHP has a method that is called when a template is displayed. That method is the render method. The render method has a standard behavior of calling the template that corresponds to the name of the action the controller is currently in. For example, the controller is in the index action. The render method would then call the index template by default. For this type of functionality, you don't need to call the render method in your controller action. On occasion, though, you will want to override the default template. Some reasons you might want to call another template in your render method would be to reuse a template you already created for another action. Plugins and elements are another reason that you might want to call a different template to render on your page. The render method takes an optional single parameter, which would be the name of the template you want displayed instead. For example, I would type this, then the render method, and I would pass in the parameter, the template that I would want to use. In this case, it would be the index template. This next example is if your view resides in another folder. Say I want to grab the Cakes controller index template. I would type as the parameter in the render method / the name of the folder inside the view folder that I want access to, / and then the template name. So by calling this particular render method with this particular parameter, it would be as if I were accessing the app / view / cakes / index template. This gives great flexibility for your design. Let's create an action in our items controller that will call another template besides the default template that should be rendered.